can you please, speak slowly so that we understand?
Good morning. I'm telling my internet have disconnected before. I just left without.
Internet disconnected before, so he is answering that.
Oh, okay.
Waste disposal of subcar removal.
Okay,
I
so
was
Amal,
answering about that point about the subject.
so see, I am very sure you have and you definitely have a solution. But for the team, we are raising this concern that these topsoil which are going to be removed from site must be disposed of to the approved land site. And all necessary permissions and NOCs must be obtained prior to disposal of. So you have it, but I want to put in the recommendation so that you can close it. Tomorrow somebody should not say that we have missed it. Or otherwise I can put it here. Then I will put that it is already there.
Then you have to get technical
Yeah.
approval also. Najmuddin, who is on site?
Sorry, the internet was gone. Now just it got back.
No.
This is correct.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, norms, there is no norms, no ready source. We are happy. Resources, land use, it's existing, no
No, it is land use, look at there.
existing.
It is existing ADNOC, it is given by ADNOC itself, so you are not occupying any area.
Under CPA, right? Right.
It is within ADNOC concession area.
Yeah.
Within ADNOC concession area.
Concession area. Under
Within ADNOC, put ADNOC, because ADNOC is assigning the land to that.
within Redno, huh?
Within ADNOC concession area. When you the land is normally, it is like if you are going outside and
Yeah,
some extra
Then
land.
you have to go for inside all this thing. Groundwater not applicable. Electrical generation not applicable. But I can.
Water consumption, no additional concern. It is applicable because you are.
But are you consuming it? No. You are not using any process. You are not extracting water. No.
Okay.
Electrical water, I will put DG set. DG set.
Or unless you have the water table coming up.
DG
You are
set.
expecting water table there?
Water table is there, but
No water.
No water. No water. Dewatering.
no dewatering.
No dewatering.
But it is in their scope dewatering. In
But-
the scope dewatering is.
If there is a dewater.
If there is
If there is water,
Yeah.
then there is no water.
For electrical consumption, I am putting the same thing.
So you are not using external power source.
And use of diesel and use of diesel and use of. So I don't have any concern.
No additional concern. You would no additional concern.
But non-electrical is no use of diesel is there.
Right, but with the.
No concern. But we are using it. Fuel consumption, I would say the same thing. Refer 3.4, 4.3. 4.3. Water consumption, no concern, no additional concern.
So what you are, how you manage the water? You are bringing the bottled water
For water.
for drinking of people.
That is from outside the source, not. So always there is.
What are you using bottled water? Bottle or some water?
No, potable water from tanker.
Tanker. So you are having a small water tank there.
Yes.
For drinking also.
For drink, filtering.
Where that drinking water is there? Outside.
Yes.
So noise I would put little because it is may
No, it will be there. It is said as a
generate